back to my channel. So today we are going to go through my fridge and organize it, and I thought why not do it today because I just did a huge Aldi haul, which I'm going to show you everything that I got today at the store. So I'm like, you know what, I might as well do this organization now because I have so much stuff in my fridge. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I hope you enjoy this. I did plan on doing a fridge organization, so I already bought a few bins from the dollar store to use. So we're going to be using those. And I also have a whole bunch of bins that I bought at Sam's Club a few years ago. They're clear bins that I got for a really great price, and I love those bins. So we're going to be using those as well. So let me show you everything that I got at Aldi, and then we're going to go ahead and start cleaning out my fridge. Okay, so I'm going to show you a quick cap of everything I got today at Aldi. So I got a package of mozzarella cheese. That's something I always have to have on hand. I got orange juice. I got cinnamon rolls. I got crescent rolls. I got whipped cream. I got a couple cans of whole kernel sweet corn, some baked beans to grill this weekend, some pineapple slices because we have Easter on Sunday, tomato paste, which when you see this video, Easter will be over, but you get an idea of it. So, Hawaiian sweet rolls. I have these steamed frozen Brussels sprouts. I have a bag of goldfish. My kids love goldfish. And I got these potatoes O'Brien, which I haven't tried them from Aldi yet, so I'm anxious to see how those taste. And then I have these burrito tortilla shells, some jalapenos to make some yummy cornbread, of course orange juice, and what else? I got some, upside down. I got some center cut pork chops, some petite sirloin. I got some cube steak. I got some onion. I got these, which I thought I'd give them a try. They're sweet potato bites. See if my kids like them. I got these French toast sticks. My kids love them, especially the cinnamon ones. And I got these fruit by the foot, and I also got the cocoa rice, and my kids love these as well. So, oh, and then canola spray, of course. So that's it, guys. This is all I got. So now we're going to do my fridge. So keep watching. The fridge. What did I tell you? It is in desperate need of some loving. It is overfull, guys. I have no room for any of this stuff. So, yeah. So we're definitely going to organize all this. And you know what? Probably most of those bottles need to go in the garbage. It's been a while. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. So keep watching. So right now I'm going to remove everything from the fridge. That way I can give it a really good clean on the shelves and in the drawers because it is in really desperate need right now. And the only way to clean it completely is by just removing everything. So now I'm going to use my Method multi-purpose cleaner. I'm going to give everything a good spray down and let it sit for a little bit before I go ahead and start wiping. That way when I do go to wipe it all up, it comes up a lot easier. it is officially clean. There was a lot to clean. It was filthy, but it looks so good now. So now I'm going to start doing the organization. I love how it looks. It was in desperate need, seriously. All right, let's organize. So I always keep my milk in the back on the top shelf. Anything dairy, you want to do that because if you put anything in the door, it doesn't stay as cold. And your milk should always be in the coldest part of your fridge. That way it doesn't spoil. And also the egg container, I just put with a dry erase marker the date of the eggs. That way you know for sure the expiration date. So these are the containers I got from the Dollar Tree. I actually love them because they're the perfect size for the kids' snacks. So I decided to put one snack per container. That way it just looks nicer and it's easy for the kids to grab what they are looking for with no problems. Door, I'm going to use this for all of my condiments. I plan, since I have so many salad dressings, I plan on using this drawer specifically just for dressings. That way everybody can see what we have. And it's also easy too when I plan on making my shopping list so I can see what I'm running low on or things that I need to buy. So what I'm doing here is I've already rinsed my fruit and now I'm just going to take the grapes off the vine and put them in this container. I got these containers at the dollar store and this way it's just easy for everybody to see what fruit we have, and when they want grapes or strawberries or whatever, they just have to open the container and grab the amount they need, and it's very easy, especially for little kids, to grab on their own. And I also think seeing the fruit all in nice display just makes it more welcoming when you open the fridge and looks so much nicer. So here it is, guys, completely done. I absolutely love it, and it's such a huge difference from when I first shown you the fridge. It looks amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I would love to have you. And also don't forget to click the little bell so you're always notified every time I post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day. Bye.